And that is like breaking encryption. So I look at it from the military point of view, signal intelligence. How do you know some source out in the universe that you're scanning is intelligent? Maybe it's a quasar star, maybe. And so you have to just say it's an abnormal signal. Let's try to decipher it. So it's really like encryption. And that's what intelligence is a complicated signal. All right, so let's get into how do you do this? How do you do this between human beings? Now, there's the age-old way of hooking a human being up to
the age-old way. In other words, it's all remotely now.
And reading and deciphering the brain waves as they are created within the scalp. It's just the electromagnetic field. You can also do it with infrared. And there are a lot of neat inventions that have come with this. I mean, I made one invention that you can create music with your mind, with your thoughts alone. It was only 8-octave scale. You can move robots. Once you train your brain with robot, you can move robots. They have video games now. You can play video games with thought processes alone that use this basic technology. Things have come a long way. And now we have which are magnetically activated nanoparticles and sensors. So how do you control the brain? Most people don't believe that, but you can't control me. I have my own free will. There's no way you can get to my soul. Well, sorry, that's not true. So these nanoparticles are activated under certain magnetic frequency and will alter the brain patterns and pathways. Recently, my school came out, Harvard came out with what you see here on the right slide is a magnified view of a needle that's injected into the brain and puts the scaffolding over the brain.
Or a mesh.
And then it's read that way at a much finer resolution. Somebody yesterday, I don't know if he's still here, some gentleman, asked me about a smart